stiff climb out of Wind Gap, Appalachian Trail section, whatever it is. There's no better way of training for a long distance hike than actually just hiking. Pack's feeling good, shoes are great, feet are good. Training for the Colorado Trail. Be out there this summer, Denver to Durango. Just been doing training hikes on the Appalachian Trail with close to actual pack weight, just for the feel, and laying down miles. No better training than just getting out there, raining, and take the beating, because it's coming. But AT baby. Got a muffin here, beautiful day. Boom.
Banana nut muffin.
Banana nut. Muffin.
Banana nut.
What kind of, wait, you're getting a tattoo for what?
After the coast to coast.
Of
After
what?
the Southern Tier bicycle tour, coast to coast. Son of a bitch.
Oh my God.
You can't tell me now.
How about a Colorado Trail
You're not
tattoo?
telling me now. Yeah, I'm getting that too.
I'm getting a muffin at the end of my trail.
And the other one.
Rocking the Gregory's. Testing out the Gregory backpacks. Testing out the Gregory book bags we just got. We're going to go out and book bag the... We're book bagging this year. Look at this guy.
Bagging.
Oh my God. This guy has been drinking since 8 o'clock this morning. Jump kick. Do it again. I'll do it in slow motion in the video. From Pennsylvania to New Jersey. Over here is Worthington State Forest. It's a must-see. Look at this drunk son of a... I'd rather be fishing right now. Oh, he's towed down. Oh, he's towed down. Tied down somewhere. I think he got his anchor out there. Oh, yeah. Any luck? Any luck? Cool. What's up, man? Alright. AT. There it is. Yeah! Finally made it back to the trail. And the shorts are coming off.
That sound
It's gonna be a wet son of a bitch, and we got some slow pokers up ahead. We're gonna have to blast by them like 2x. On the hunt for Sasquatch today.
You're out of control.
Haven't seen anything. Wait, I think that's a tree break.
A tree bit?
Wait. I think I have a tree break here.
It was clean.
New Jersey Devil? Is that what it is? Is it
That's something else.
I think
Sasquatch.
this might be a Sasquatch tree break. I'm not sure. I'm not a pro Bigfoot hunter, Sasquatch informer, anything like that, but I mean, that is at an unnatural height. I'm not sure. Here you go. What a Sasquatch does is it holds here, reaches above, and breaks the branch down. Look at those butts. No. Not sure. Could be a quatch. Not sure. Not an expert. But I'm just gonna rack that up as evidence and put it in the arsenal. And it could be. Comment below. Tell me if that's true. I'm 5'10". You saw that break. I'll let you take it from there. Out. Hooking it up, Jack. You know what I mean?